NFT is the UK's leading logistics provider of time-critical temperature-controlled logistics solutions. We operate mainly in the UK, and we are the intelligent link between manufacturers and retailers. We operate a number of networks for primary collection into retailer RDCs. We operate a number of warehouses where we handle finished goods either on behalf of the manufacturer or into the retailer. We also have a 4PL arrangement where we can extend our transport services and use the subcontracted market. Effectively, it's a one-stop shop for people who want to buy chilled distribution in the UK. We primarily were a transport solutions company, and we moved into total logistics. So we went to the market and we wanted to identify a best-of-breed warehouse management solution, and we shortlisted 2 candidates. We looked at Manhattan Associates PKMS and Red Prairie, which is now JDA. The JDA Red Prairie solution was the one that we went for. It ticked a lot of boxes for us. We chose our solution from Red Prairie JDA because it gave us a single provider. We didn't want to have to go to different providers for the RF, for the integration, for the warehouse management and other options. We looked at the portfolios of the companies, and we looked at the roadmap and the blueprint that they were going down, and it filled our strategic needs. Currently, we're using Red Prairie Dispatcher. We've now got that into 3 of our warehouses, and we operate that in a customer warehouse. We also run workforce management, and we have the additional modules of third-party billing and integrator. The benefits we got from the solutions are, before we actually implemented, we were very manual and very low tech in terms of producing our billing, our management information, our reports, and managing the stock. And we had a legacy system, which was the one that we had to replace. It didn't fulfill a lot of our requirements on rotation management, and it caused us some concerns. The new solution from Red Prairie, now JDA, gives us everything that we need at the moment, and it has a blueprint which will take us forward into the future. We have good functionality, we have automation of processes, we have evidence of the transactions that we've actually transacted, and we have visibility now, and it's enabled us to move our operations up to a different level, and so that makes us willing to share live information with our customers. Yeah, the key features of the solution from Red Prairie that really help us run smoothly are the levels of automation of processes that we can engage the system to do. A prime example of that would be things called merge rules. So when data comes into the system, if it's not quite in the format that we want, we can apply a rule, and then the output will actually match exactly what the business needs to process that order throughout the warehouse. So the benefit it gives us is less administration, less manual intervention, and effectively a very smooth workflow throughout. Our user base have adopted to the system very well. Initially, we had some reticence going from a paper-based system to a completely RF-driven and automated solution, but they very quickly saw the benefits and adapted to the new ways of working, the new processes. We were very disciplined in our procedures. We've standardized all of our workflows throughout the warehouse, and it works, and they are very, very happy with it. They're also very happy that we can get the flexibility. They can add new customers in with a 48-hour spectrum. We can reconfigure the warehouse very, very quickly. We can add new workflows, and we can change workflows, all done internally by the team. We get a lot of competitive advantage from the solution. It's enabled us to operate at a higher level of accuracy and productivity. And once you've got that operational excellence and you're comfortable with that operational excellence, then you're more willing to share that with your customers, and they'll see that as being transparent, and they genuinely get value from that. So they see everything that we see, they see it in real time, and we have such confidence in our solution, we are more than prepared to share everything with them, because there is nowhere to hide when you do that, and you actually end up in a new level of collaboration and engagement. The main benefit to our customers has been that guarantee of service. They can log into our systems, they can see their inventory, they can see how their orders are progressing, they can manage their shortages, their production issues, they can manipulate the orders or tell us the instructions so we can manipulate the orders, they can place hold on stock, they can release stock from inventory, they can do all the transactions that we want them to be able to do, but in a controlled manner. And we actually now provide them with their base information which drives their production in a number of customer areas. Working with Red Prairie and JDA has actually been great. In England, They really understand our operating model, the way the third-party logistics industry works. They've got good people, good solutions. They come up with innovative ways of actually achieving the goal that we're trying to get to. So wherever possible, we want to keep the product as vanilla as we can without arriving at a modification. So we work with the development team, we work with the project team, we work with the account management team, and together we actually have a very, very good relationship.